Men's rights lawyer Roy Den Hollander, who is suspected of carrying out an attack on the family of New Jersey federal Judge Esther Salas, may have targeted his enemies after being diagnosed with cancer, according to a report from the New York Times. A law enforcement officer told the Times that officials are investigating the theory and looking into whether or not Hollander was connected to a July 11 case in California, in which men's rights lawyer Mark Angelucci was shot at his front door by a man dressed as a FedEx delivery man. Hollander, who was found dead from a self-inflicted gunshot wound in Liberty, New York, on Monday, is suspected of fatally shooting Salas' 20-year-old son, Daniel Anderl, and seriously injuring her husband, Mark Anderl, on Sunday at their home in North Brunswick, New Jersey. Police say he dressed as a FedEx driver, knocked on the family's front door, and then carried out the attack. Salas was unharmed and was reported to be in the basement at the time. The FBI later found a photo of New York Chief Judge Janet DeFiore in Hollander's car after his death. Lucian Chalfin, the Unified Court System Director of Public Information, told CNN. According to the Times, Hollander referenced his cancer diagnosis and his enemies in an epilogue for a book he published in 2019. "Death's hand is on my left shoulder. Nothing in this life matters anymore," he wrote. "The only problem with a life lived too long under feminazi rule is that a man ends up with so many enemies he can't even the score with all of them." He had also rallied against Salas in his book, calling her a lazy and incompetent Latina judge appointed by Obama, NBC News reported Monday. Court documents reviewed by insiders show that Hollander and co-counsel Michael J. Daher once had a case before Salas, where they alleged that the selective service system that bars women from registering for the draft was in violation of the law. Hollander was a party in several federal cases including men's rights efforts. On his website, he rallied against ladies' nights at bars and said he tried to disband women's studies courses at colleges. New York Governor Andrew Cuomo said on Tuesday that New York State Police will provide security for DeFiore after her photo was found in Hollander's car. "We are in the midst of an investigation, but the circumstances are very troubling on this," he told CNN.